Which of the following is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x all over h? Okay, let's see. F of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So f of x plus h means replace all the x's you see in the formula with an x plus h. So this will be 7 times x plus h plus 4 minus f of x. And f of x is 7x plus 4. Just replace f of x with its formula. Okay, all over h. And now I'm just going to simplify. So 7 times x plus h, I'm going to distribute this 7 to the x and to the h. So I get 7x plus 7h plus 4. And then I'm going to distribute this negative sign to the 7x and the 4. So I have minus 7x minus 4 all over h. Now I get some nice cancellations. Okay, so I have a 7x and a negative 7x cancel. And I have a positive 4 and a negative 4. Those cancel. And I am left with 7h over h, which is 7. Option C.